Upgrade your motorcycle game with 10 brand new Amazon gadgets for ultimate safety, comfort, and style. This video continues our motorcycle gadget series as part 4. After watching, make sure to view part 1, 2, and 3 linked in the description below. Monimoto 9 GPS Tracker. It is a discreet ultra-compact anti-theft device 3.65 by 1.52 by 0.58 inches and 2 ounces that sends instant long-term evolution for machines alerts to your phone if your parked motorcycle moves. It features worldwide coverage, simple zip tie installation, and an embedded eSIM with 2 months free service, $49 per year after that. Perfect for urban streets or overnight lot. It stands out with its tiny hideable size, precise real-time tracking, and proven high recovery rate. It's priced at $170 for unmatched peace of mind. Atlas Throttle Lock. It works as a dependable mechanical cruise control alternative, installing on the throttle tube in just 10 minutes without grip removal, with thumb activated on and off buttons, constant adjustability, ergonomic hand rotation, and universal friction pad fit to maintain smooth speed. Perfect for extended highway tours to get rid of throttle hand fatigue. It stands out with stainless steel durability, low profile design, and compatibility across all bikes, all for $155. We've covered safety and comfort, but what about protecting your phone's camera from vibration damage? Next upcoming gadget solves a problem most riders don't even know they have. Kaedear M26 Phone Holder. It is an advanced anti-vibration smartphone mount with devil horn arms for secure clamping. Fits 130 to 175 mm height, 60 to 88 mm width, and 19 mm thick. It includes air mount suspension to absorb high frequency vibes, an adjustable lower arm for side buttons, dial lock arms against shock, and an aluminum 1-inch ball joint for precise positioning. Perfect for rough road navigation or GPS use. It offers superior vibration dampening to protect phone cameras, tool-free angle adjustments, and rock-solid stability over gaps, all at an affordable $40. FODSPORTS Cup Holder. It is a universal drink holder with a heavy-duty metal clamp, 0.5 to 1.57 inches, that secures to handlebars through rubber pad. It features durable aluminum alloy and thermoplastic elastomer construction, an adjustable knob for 2.08 to 3.6 inch cups up to 32 ounces capacity, and a full wrap frame to prevent spills on rough terrain. Great for long rides that require easy access to hydration. It offers anti-slip grip to avoid scratches, vibration-resistant hold, and versatile compatibility for bikes and all-terrain vehicles. The price is affordable at $25. Quick reminder, hit like if you've ever felt numbness after a long ride. Sunpie Motorcycle Seat Cushion. It is a gel padded seat cover that improves comfort on stock saddles and features a shock absorbing gel layer, waterproof cover, and easy strap on installation, compatible with most bikes. Perfect for long commutes or tours to combat but numbness. It boasts a 4.4 star rating from high sales volume, serves as an affordable upgrade, and remains breathable for hot rides, priced at $29. Rockbros Helmet Backpack. It is a 7-liter waterproof carrier that can be used for full-face helmets and daily gear. The carrier is made from durable polyester and polyurethane fabric with a roll-top seal, reflective stripes that increase night visibility, adjustable straps 65 to 105 centimeters, and a lightweight design under 1 pound that includes mesh pocket. This backpack works for commuters who need post-ride helmet storage. It offers compact foldability, abrasion resistance, and improved low-light safety, all at an accessible $35. What's the longest ride you've done in a single day? Comment your mileage. Lexin LXC3 Cup Holder. It is a handlebar-mounted beverage holder that secures bottles during motion. It has an adjustable clamp, rubber insulation for temperature retention, and quick-release design for effortless access. Perfect for adventure rides to keep drinks handy. It provides vibration-proof stability, easy setup, and multi-fit compatibility for various sizes. It costs an affordable $20. Wsdcam Vibration Alarm. It is a motion-sensing disc lock designed to deter theft. It has sensitive vibration detection, a piercing 110 decibel siren, and rugged waterproof construction to protect your bike in any weather. Perfect for public parking scenarios. It delivers remote app alerts to provide instant notifications, ultra-compact portability, and dependable activation every time, all for just $30. The final 2 upgrades improve your actual riding performance, and one could save your life at night. Kiwav Cruise Assist Grip. It is an ergonomic throttle assist that reduces wrist strain during long cruises, featuring a universal clamp to allow easy mounting, adjustable tension to provide personalized control, and glove-friendly design to enable seamless operation. Suited for highway hauls, it enables fatigue-free riding, offers simple bolt-on installation, and boasts durable alloy construction, all at an unbeatable $15. Dango Design Navigator Helmet Light. It is a sleek LED helmet-mounted light that delivers enhanced night visibility with over 1,000 lumens output, an adjustable beam for precise illumination, and a rechargeable battery for extended use. Top choice for low-light trails and night rides. It offers a lightweight, secure mount, waterproof construction, and impressive long runtime, priced at just $50. $50. Grab these game-changing gadgets to ride safer and smarter. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.